Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can check whether or not your Google Analytics coding has been successfully installed correctly. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Now, I have a lot of friends will be asking me, saying, "Hey Zevin, I have already installed my Google Analytics codes, tracking codes, right? But how do I able to ensure 100% that my analytic code is working?" Yeah, so before I start to launch my campaign, I want to ensure that my website is the analytic is able to track all the traffics that's coming into my website. All right, so any tools that we can use to actually track and ensure that the code has been installed correctly. All right, so over right here, I would like to share with you one tool, and this tool is actually a free tool. It's actually a Google Chrome extension. All right, so if you can see over right here, I'm currently using Google Chrome. Yeah, so if you're using Google Chrome as well, you can just come here and search for this keyword. It's called Google Tag Assistant Chrome browser extension. All right, so if you're using Firefox, then you can change the keyword to Google Tag Assistant Firefox extension. Okay, it's pretty much the same thing. It just across two different browsers. All right, so the one that we are using over right here is Chrome browser. So this is the one that I would like to introduce to you. Okay, it's a free tool, very easy to use and very powerful. All right, so you can just click into this Chrome link. All right, and over right here you can see that it's already over 2 millions of user has already installed. And over right here you can check on the overview. It actually gave you like a video to watch, to learn more about how do you use this extension right here. Okay, and some of the screenshot of like how does it work. All right, but pretty much I want to share with you this screenshot right here. It actually gives you a very clear picture on how this tag assistant, the extension, works, right? So if you can see from here, it actually gives you the so-called, the indicator right here using color. So whenever that you see a green color, it means that that coding is working. Okay, if let's say you are looking at a red color, it means that there's these two detected certain coding that is not working. All right, and you can see from here, it actually able to detect all the codes that you have installed to the website. It's actually showing like Google Analytics here, and then we have like Google Tag Manager as well. All right, so let's go into the step-by-step of like installing and see later on how does it track. All right, how does it works from here. Okay, so I'm just going to add to Chrome and add extension. All right, so if you can see, the extension is showing right here. Okay, one of the reason I have too many extensions right here, so my extension disappeared. I'm just going to call it out, pin it on my browser right here. Okay, so all right, my tag assistant right here. So I'm going to pin my tag assistant. You need to ensure that you see this icon right here. Okay, the tag assistant icon right here. Yeah, so then it will be easier for you to navigate and to use the tool. All right, so right here I'm going to go back to my website, and this is the website that I'm having. And how do I ensure, how do I check if analytics is working right here? So what do I do? You need to ensure that you click on this icon, okay, the smiley face. Yeah, and right here it actually tells you by saying that, hey, you have like quite a numbers of like Google coding that this tag assistant able to track. So we have like Google Analytics, trusted stories, conversion, remarketing coding, and we have like Google Publisher tag as well. Yeah, so this is just like an introductions for you all to see what kind of like coding is the tag assistant is tracking. So right here, what are we going to do is you can just go ahead, click done. And this is the main thing, okay? You need to understand learn how to use it. But it's pretty much very simple. Yeah, you just require one click of button, and it actually gives you the instructions right there. It's actually showing that Tag Assistant is currently inactive. You need to click the Enable button to turn it on, right? So your first step, right after you skip the introduction just now, the welcoming message, this is the main part of like how to use these extensions right here. So you just need to come here, click on Enable, and that's it. All right. So then you'll be asking me, Zevin, like how, after enable, I don't see any like indication, any analysis coming up, right? So this is the main part. Yeah, this is the main part. You will see a second step. So right after you enable, over right here, it says that you need to hit on reload. All right, you need to hit on reload of your website and refresh the website. So I'm currently on this tab. So what I'm going to do, refresh the page. Yep. And you can see that right here, the tag is changing color. You will see a different color right there. Okay, it's changing. So if I click on this, you will be able to see that, hey, the result of the tag analysis. And it's showing that there's 7 coding detected. And if I scroll it down, you'll be able to see I have ads remarketing tag as well. But the main thing that we want to ensure, you see the Google Analytics showing right there. Okay, and most importantly, double check if your UA, the tracking code, the analytic code is the same as your account. Okay, so if this code is different, then the data might be appearing in a different account. So you need to ensure that, number one, you see this Google Analytics right here. Second, double check on the codes. Yeah, double check on the code. Now, why do I see some of the some of the code detected in green color and some is in blue and yellow, right? As I mentioned earlier, if you see green color icon right here, it means that everything is working perfectly. Everything is installed good, perfectly. Okay, if you see yellow and blue, not to worry. Okay, it doesn't mean that like something bad is happening and things like that. No, okay, it's just that maybe there's a little bit of like optimization required. You need to click in and have a look. What is the issue? Okay, so on this yellow color one, if I click in, it's saying that I actually have 2 analytics tracking at the same time, so it might be causing some clashing right there. So I might want to remove one. Yeah, so I need to double check, with my team, why there's 2 codings right there. Yeah, so over right here, you can just click in and understand a little bit of like what's wrong right there. Yeah, so the main thing that we are looking at over right here, as long as you don't see the the red color icon, as long as you don't see this red color icon, if you see that, it means that the code is not working. So double check if you see analytic, and over right here, you shouldn't be looking at red color icon. All right. So now this is on how you are going to check on your own website. So if let's say today you would like to check on other website, let's say I'm going to Shopee. All right. And I can also spy or check on other website if they have installed analytic or not. All right, so this is where you go to other website and you click on that icon once again. Yeah, and when the moment that you are checking on different website, you actually show enable again. So you need to come here, click on enable again, and then right now do another time of refresh. All right. Once you refresh, you can see that, hey, there's actually like 4 codes detected and all is under Google, Google coding. So right here, you can see there's a Google Analytic right here as well. All right. So this is pretty much a very simple tool and a very useful tool that I would like to recommend to all of you, right? So if for those of you, if you just install your Google Analytic, this is how you can do a very quick check on if your analytic has been installed successfully. Okay, so for those of you, if you successfully install the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension and you have successfully detected your Google Analytic coding as well, remember to leave a comment below and let me know. Yep, and meanwhile, if you like our video, remember to help us like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.